Hey y'all, I hope you recall the time or the day, I think during this week, whereby some friends gave Thandeka, I think it's Tameli, or yeah, I think it's Tameli, they gave her some gifts. So here she's revealing those gifts, opening, and we hope she appreciate it, or they appreciate this. So let's see, because now she's unpack it. Let's see what's going on, what's happening inside. Watch this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.
Cute. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna be able to show you. Look at this. This is so cute. So this is from the Tameli so far, and what they got me is candy. You guys have been listening because I've been dying for candy in the house. I've been dying for candy, and yeah, so I'm gonna be really enjoying that candy. Hopefully, I've been in Nyongo. I don't think you guys would want that, but I'll take it slow on the candy. I also got some Proton, because you guys know there's no Proton in Europe. So I'm going to be enjoying so much Proton. Okay. And I got peanuts. I love like South African treats. Also from Woolies. I love Woolies.